In this problem, we need to represent a force of 80 newtons that is acting in a direction described as north of east. First, let's establish our coordinate system. We can see the standard compass directions marked: north pointing up, east pointing right, south pointing down, and west pointing left. Looking at our coordinate system with origin at point O, we can see the force vector is drawn as an orange arrow pointing from the origin toward the northeast direction, labeled as vector A. The key information shown here is the scale: 1 centimeter equals 20 newtons. Since our force is 80 newtons, we calculate the length of our vector. 80 divided by 20 equals 4 centimeters. So our force vector is drawn as a 4 centimeter long arrow pointing in the northeast direction from the origin. The vector represents both the magnitude 80 newtons and the direction north of east. This is how we graphically represent force vectors using a scale diagram, where the length of the arrow corresponds to the magnitude of the force, and the direction of the arrow shows the direction of the force.